地下鉄。地下鉄 is mean underground train or subway. 地 is mean something about the ground, and ka is mean under or something that low. And kanji tetsu is mean iron or iron, so we can use the iron to make the train, make the way of the train, right? So in here we use ji and ka and tetsu, which mean we use the ground and under the ground, and we use the iron, so it can be like underground train or subway. 毎日地下鉄で仕事に行きます。毎日地下鉄で仕事に行きます。I go to work every day by subway, or I go to work every day by underground train. 毎日 is mean every day. 地下鉄 is mean subway. で is mean by. 仕事に is mean your job or your work. に行きます which mean go to. So in here in this sentence is mean I go to work every day by subway. 毎日地下鉄で仕事に